Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kini kelong kubur kongsan taksi jong Antor. Kajing shiteng it lasi keempat bampak di Kong Bindas Syiem dia kalau long wujud peningkong yang tanah pulit jong is kasih distrik. Haka kandai terik jong ka kad arbuji shiteng senyai ubanai jeliu. Kabak kajing jong shiteng jong Kong Bindas Syiem dia halajing tia. Ha parking lot additional sekretariat USP ka is kasih uri jurat sing ubala syok kauyang bat ulawan sa tika jaka kebatia pang Kong Syiem bat ban kit dak buang ban lek cemti ya Kong Bindas Syiem di ban ra checkup sa civil hospital namar ke jeng dan jeng pai ba bat ubak kemen yuria bodi managing director ke Selomir ula aireng yau tu USP kipai ba haran kat ba yuria ki belakang lat bat tangan yutu USP dan dakinya namar ke jeng tip macam namta ke Indonesia tan ke bayaki namta pai ba ka kamera video bele bat bak pilik tembak sejak kit ban ra hospital kelum derlang bat ki doktor kajing pi inya ha kaktian utu USP semlaken namar sok kawyang jengkli kalong hak por jengki uba dan mila besemai semdan ki pulit banwan pat balai pat ya Kong Bindas Syiem ki pulit kiwan pat kajengkli mata kalong sendu ka ki border district banwan pet ya kwat kya bon pet ya sukasan ha kajing tiak satran jong Kong Bindas Syiem le kemas perkemau kajing ki ba dan jong ka reception polisi dan kita yo ba dan ulat ya hanrai apa dan kecetul kamet ki doktor kiwan ban pej hala kaben hala kata
I want to do this.
ya Kong
No. Come on. The mask. Please go. Anybody? See some. You know me very well. This is not the way. This is not. Everybody. See, sir. Why you are getting? No, I'm not getting agitated, sir. Tell me, sir, you come with your force here. No, they came. No. See, at the first instant, they came with the force. They came with the force just to pull up. Why are you getting agitated? No, I'm not getting agitated, sir.
That's why I'm telling you also, just bring a doctor here and do the medical checkup here.
They can do, sir. There's a mobile service also. See, 108 is there. They can come.
We can talk, you know.
Yeah, we can talk, so why not?
You cannot force. We can talk. We are not forcing. There's no force. They take a public taxes salary.
Okay, you tell me, sir. What do you want to do? Tell me. No, but you can bring your doctor. You can bring your doctor here.
Government doctor is here and do the medical checkup.
I can call the DMHO also. I can call.
Government doctor is there.
I can call the DMHO.
Call them to come and do for the checkup.
I can call Conrad also. I don't care of calling him at night.
Ibu aja, ibu aja. Lagi buat kawan terlek lawan.
Beli.
Mana mau anak buat?
And she is highly obsessed.
I'll take responsibility.
He is a senior.
Hello, sir.
Relax. Hey.
Yeah, sir. Come on, tell you to do it.
Officer Shanking, you should know that.
Relax. No, sir. No, relax. Come.
We're not inside. We'll talk here.
Okay.
See, we are not going to force anybody ticket.
We are not. We are just concerned for the. We are just concerned for her health, sir. That's it. If you are
We are telling you to just bring a medical officer here to do the checkup. Why you are getting so easy?
No, sir.
Please, requesting you.
We are talking in a very good sense.
Calm down,
In
calm down.
a very polite manner. So please, let's talk.
Yes.
What do you want exactly from your end? What do you want exactly from your end?
That's what I'm
So-
saying.
so you
That's
tell us.
what yes, that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, because from our organization also we already
I'm not a competent authority to speak on anything. I'm only here to that.
No, see, I already had a word with your
Listen,
OC, sir.
listen. Let me speak. Wait. I'm only here to just see that her health is taken care of. That's
Yeah.
it. That's
So-
the only thing.
if you
Sir,
no no
Sure.
Then don't force her. Wait.
After I learn.
Wait. I'm not competent authority to speak
Okay,
on,
sir.
on any matter.
if you are so
Nothing.
concerned with that.
Sure.
Wait,
Sir.
Only thing is that. And whatever you say, okay.
No, if you are so
Sir,
concerned with the health,
see,
I
then
agree with
we can
whatever
send
you
the,
say. Relax.
from the government side,
I agree with
we
whatever
appeal to
you
the government to send the medical health.
that is between you and the government. I'm not a competent person to speak on that.
Sir,
I am here.
Sir, first question I have for you. What is the role of the police?
Yeah, right now.
Yes.
What is the role of the
Yes.
police?
Yes.
Is it, suppose, if there's another coronavirus,
Yes.
okay, say so tomorrow,
Yes.
is the police or is the doctor to take care of it?
My role is only that.
Then,
So that's why, sir.
you can just come and take it. No, but see, Sinsang, no.
Relax.
See, I'll tell you, I'll cite another example again. That
Relax.
is Mr. Adam's case.
Relax.
Mr. Adam's case.
No.
The doctors were here
No.
to
Relax.
check on his health.
No.
It's not the police.
No. Relax. It's
I am speaking on behalf as a citizen of Riboy district.
Relax. Okay, relax, please. I'm not talking about anything else. I'm only that her condition should be taken care of. I'm only for that.
We are all
That's
concerned
it.
about
We
her.
are all concerned about
that. That's what
That's
I'm
it.
requesting you also. From your side also, if you have a medical officer or a medical doctor, you bring it here.
Bring it here.
You should then do that.
Doctor cannot be brought here. No.
Doctor you can be
So
brought.
first of all, sir,
I'm relaxing, brother.
They have taken a
Anna Hazare went out for hunger strike. It's the doctors who went there to that place, Jantar Mantar पे. अब क्या और बात करेगा?
So that's where I live. If you feel like that, I will do that. But the thing is that hospital cannot be brought here.
No.
Relax.
Hospital without doctor is
Relax,
useless.
relax.
Hospital without doctor is useless. I'm relaxing, brother. You don't even have an answer. I'm relaxing. You don't even have an
I
answer.
don't
brother.
See, they
have
are-
answer because the question you
Listen to me, sir. There are members of the Voice of the People's Party here. They will recall you that the doctors came here to check on Arden's Basaimat's health.
So same thing for her. She fight for the right, not for her own rights, for the people's rights.
we will do our part.
Send him. No, don't waste your time. Send him. Contact it to your DIG. Contact it to the concerned minister,
No,
concerned department. Send
honestly,
it right
sir, as per the we respect you as the SP of the East Kashmir district. We just want to ask you, what is your thing out here like? What is your
I'm only concerned. That's my only concern. I'm not competent. Okay, I understand about that. You're concerned about that. Okay, I understand about that. That's what I'm requesting about you from my side and from the public side also, and from our side. So what she said also. Kong Bindas Syiem also what she said also to call the doctor here, not her to go there.
We respect you in that way. So please, with due respect, we ask you, as an SP, you have that much capability to seek help from the health department. You please ask the health department to come here to see after her.
That's
all.
what she requested from our side. So not
That's
her
all.
to go that side. Okay.
Please, okay? That's all.
Okay. Thank you.
Please don't make it a havoc out here because why the people out here also will be. I think I understand. You understand. Come. Yeah. We also understand about it.
Not privacy. It's good. I respect that. I'm younger than you. I am a public opinion. No, sir, please at this time you cannot talk any personal out of here. Yeah. Proceed. Let's go.
Karila sa nabuwan ka rin. Nhà lông trai trai vậy đấy cũng nè, nhà lông trai trai này, bắt lệ em kia nhà lệ mà bây giờ kita tahu, bây giờ kita mati karena mau, tăng lagi lah,